Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I want to prepare spaghetti and plantain. Spag and plantain. Welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and share. Comment please. Your favorite math teacher here. Bye. I'm going to use shrimps. Yeah, but I'll grind it. I'm not using crayfish. My ingredients: this is shrimps, this is tomato. I don't know if you've seen this tomato. This is one of the best tomato paste I've ever seen. I don't know where my mom bought it from. It's so good. I'm not exaggerating fact. I'm using this dry fish. Yeah, I'll wash it and use this one. I have spaghetti, then my fresh pepper, I don't know if it's only me, but I like adding little granatoi to my pasta water when it's boiling. I don't like it sticky. Like I want it one after cooking. This is how it's done. Let me boil my pasta. See why I said that this tomato is good. See how ready she looks. Let me scoop out another one for you. Look. It's much. I can't even finish the bottle. I've used it once to cook rice. Can't still finish it. It's that nice. This is not enough for me. I'm cutting my plantain. I don't know what type of plantain is called. Let me show you a better picture. My niece said this Cameroon plantain. I don't know, a bit banana. That's what we are using. It's my food now. The good. Okay. Let me top it up with my remaining cook from my party. Just lick.